Welcome, I am your host Luca, and today we got something beautiful and always fantastic for you. It is another dessert day on my channel, and we are going to make a beautiful, delicious, homemade coconut cream pie from scratch. Fantastic, beautiful, you'll love it. Want to know how to make it? Keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with me. Alright, start by adding about 15 to 25 Oreos in your food processor, along with 10 to 12 pieces of graham crackers, and process them until you get a nice fine crumble. Delicious. Add a quarter cup of melted unsalted butter to the cookie crumble. Add your cookie crumble to a pie dish and flatten and form the crust using your hands and a glass to round out the edges. Add sweetened coconut shavings to a baking tray. Add a quarter cup of cornstarch into a bowl with 3 egg yolks and mix. Add 400 milliliters of coconut milk to a pot on medium-high heat. Continue by adding a half a cup of granulated sugar, followed by 1 cup of half and half cream and a pinch of salt. Stir and bring to a simmer. Remove about a half a cup of the mixture and place the pan back on. Add the milk mixture to your eggs and stir for 2 minutes, not allowing the eggs to scramble. Now add the eggs and milk back to your simmering milk, and it will thicken it up, creating the filling for your delicious coconut cream pie. Continue by adding a cup to a cup and a half of sweetened coconut shavings into the mixture, followed by 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a splash of vanilla extract, and mix it all together. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious and fantastic. Add the pie filling to your cooled down pie crust. Cover in cling wrap and refrigerate to let it settle. Alright, our pie is made. The crust is made. The filling is made. It's been poured in. Now what we got to do is we got to let it set. To let it set, you want to throw it in the fridge and let it cool for about 4 hours. Or if you can make it ahead of time, cool it for 24 hours to let it set beautiful and nice and of course fantastic. So just before we take our pie out, just before it's ready and set, we're going to come back and we're going to make our homemade whipped cream, which is going to go on top. We already roasted the coconut shavings. For garnish on top of the whipped cream, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. Want to see the end result? Keep on watching. You'll love it. It's fantastic. In your stand mixer, add about 500 milliliters of 35% whipping cream, followed by a splash of vanilla extract, a quarter cup to a half a cup confectioner sugar, and whip until you get your beautiful, delicious whipped cream with stiff peaks. Add your whipped cream to your set pie, make it beautiful and fantastic. Garnish with your baked sweetened coconut shavings, and serve. There you have it, a beautiful, delicious, homemade coconut cream pie with a Oreo graham crust. Bet you no one's done it like that before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that like button so you get notified when I upload fantastic new recipes just like this one. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao!